Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to show you how to create a beautiful crochet snowflake pattern. It's perfect for holiday decorations, gift embellishments, or adding a touch of winter magic to your projects. Let's get started! We will start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. Now we are ready with our magic ring. Now let's start the first round. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then work 1 double crochet into the magic ring. And then chain 2, 1 and 2, then work another double crochet into the magic ring. Again chain 2, 1 and 2, again another double crochet into the magic ring and chain 2. This is the pattern we need to repeat. Repeat it 2 more times. A double crochet, chain 2, again another double crochet, and chain 2, 1 and 2. Now we can pull the tail tight to close the magic ring like this, and then work a slip stitch on top of the third chain from the starting point. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. So we will insert the hook into the third chain, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with our first round. And then we will get started with round 2. We need to move the loop into the chain 2 space here. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. So we move the loop with a slip stitch into the chain 2 space, then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. This is to be considered as the first double crochet. Again work 2 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. 1, and 2. And then we will chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then again work another 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space here. 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then work 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space here. 1, 2, 3. Now we need to just repeat the same pattern. Chain 6 and then 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. Like that we will repeat until the end of the round. Now I'm at the end of the round, and then to join we need to work a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point. 1 2 3, this is the third chain. So work a slip stitch into the third chain like this. With that we have completed the second round. Now we will get started with the third round. There we need to chain 1 and then work a single crochet into the very same base stitch here. Now we will work one single crochet into each one of the next 2 stitches here as well. 1 and 2. Now we are going to work 7 single crochets into the chain 6 space here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. After that, work one single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches here. 1 2 and 3. Again work 7 single crochets into the chain 6 space here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now work one single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches here. 1 2 and 3. Then again 7 single crochets in the chain 6 space here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now this is the pattern to be repeated until the end of the round. Now I'm at the end of the round, and then we need to work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet of the round to join like this. With that we have completed the third round as well. Now we will get started with the round 4. Then I'm going to work a slip stitch into the next stitch here. And then one single crochet into the very same stitch. Now we need to skip the next stitch and work a slip stitch into the second stitch from the hook. And then chain 3, 1 2 3, and then work one slip stitch into the very same stitch. Again go into the next stitch and work one slip stitch, chain 3, and another slip stitch into the very same stitch. Again go into the next stitch and work 1 slip stitch, chain 3 and another slip stitch into the very same stitch. Then again go into the next stitch and work 1 slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then work another slip stitch into the very same stitch. Now we will go into the next stitch here and work 1 slip stitch, chain 3 and another slip stitch into the same stitch. We need to repeat the pattern 2 more times. Go into the next stitch and work a slip stitch, chain 3 and another slip stitch. Again go into the next stitch and work 1 slip stitch, chain 3 and again a slip stitch into the very same stitch. This is what we have completed so far. And then we will skip the next stitch and work a single crochet into the second stitch from the hook. Again skip the next stitch and work 1 slip stitch, chain 3 and another slip stitch into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1 slip stitch, chain 3 and again a slip stitch into the next stitch. Again go into the next stitch and work 1 slip stitch, chain 3 and another slip stitch. Again the same thing into the next stitch as well, 1 slip stitch, chain 3 and again a slip stitch. And then work 1 slip stitch, chain 5 and another slip stitch into the next stitch. Now work 1 slip stitch, chain 3 and 1 slip stitch into each one of the next 3 stitches. And this is the pattern we need to repeat until the end of the round. We will just repeat the pattern, skip 1 stitch and work a single crochet into the next stitch. And then just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. This is the end of the round, and then we will go ahead and work a slip stitch on the first single crochet of the round. So insert the hook into the first single crochet of the round here, yarn over, pull through the stitch, and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the round, and then leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. After that we can use the yarn needle to hide the tail like this. And there you have it. Thank you for crocheting this beautiful snowflake with me. If you love this tutorial, please like, comment and subscribe for more creative patterns. For exclusive contents, tips and additional patterns, check out my Patreon and see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!